Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing some cross-stitch embroidery design ideas that you can try. Cross-stitch embroidery is a great way to add a touch of personality and creativity to your home decor. It is also a fun and relaxing hobby that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. If you are new to cross-stitch, there are a few things you will need to get started. You will need a needle, thread, fabric and a pattern. You can find pattern for cross-stitch design online or in craft store or on my channel. Once you have your supplies, you are ready to start stitching. Here are a few design ideas that you can inspire. Floral design. Floral design are a classic choice for cross-stitch embroidery. They are beautiful and can be stitched in a variety of colors. Animal design. Animal design are other popular choice for cross-stitch embroidery. They can be stitched in realistic or cartoony style. Landscape design. Landscape design is a great way to bring the outdoor inside. They can be stitched in a variety of styles from realistic to abstract. Textual design. Textual design are a fun way to add personal touch to your cross-stitch embroidery. You can stitch your name, a quote or even a piece of code. Geometric design. Geometric design are a great way to add a modern touch to your cross-stitch embroidery. They can be stitched in a variety of colors and patterns. Geometric design. Geometric design are a great way to add a modern touch to your cross-stitch embroidery. They can be stitched in a variety of colors and patterns. No matter what design you choose, stitch embroidery is a great way to create something beautiful and unique. So get stitching and let your creativity shine through. Here are a few more tips for cross-stitch embroidery. Start with simple design. If you are new to cross-stitch, it's best to start with simple design. This will help to learn the basics of the technique. Use good quality material. Using good quality material will help you cross-stitch embroidery to look its best. Take your time. Cross-stitch embroidery is a slow process, so don't rush it. Take your time and enjoy the process. Be patient.